If you guys are looking for a Ryan World, let me see. So it makes truck noises. This is a combo crew racetrack. And it's 3 feet long, or over 3 feet long. It transforms to Mega Track. There's Ryan on the side. This is super cute. Look at this, you guys. Uh-oh, somebody dropping stuff. It went from 69 to 30. Hold on, can you pick this up so you can show me the UPC? All right, here's the UPC right here. And again, it was 69, now down to 30.
Alright, so the next thing we found is the Nickelodeon Slime 2-wheel folding kick scooter.
Look how cute that is.
That is dope right there.
That is nice. And anything Nickelodeon slime, you guys, kids will love. This is a 2-wheel folding kick scooter. And look, it says try me. And if you guys feel this, oh, it feels crazy.
Yeah,
it's like really squishy. Look, do it. It's really squishy.
Uh-oh.
Oh, you broke it. I guess we're not getting that one.
Oh, no. Look, because it comes
Is
out
it
if you
supposed
do
to
it
come
too
out?
much.
Oh, it's still okay though. Oh yeah. Ooh.
You're
Okay.
breaking it.
I guess Manny's breaking these items. Okay. So if you squish it too much over here, there's stuff falling out. But if you just squish it like this, it should be okay. All right. You're doing it too hard. It's just a kid toy. Calm down, Hulk. All right. So.
Saw that working out.
Okay. So these are the little balls that comes inside, little squishy things. Look at the colors. And for Christmas, we gave our kids. Remember, we gave the kids the Nickelodeon, the slime guns, and it came with the slime package. So this is great. I mean, they don't need anything else, so we'll probably just be flipping these. Yep. But look at that.
That's fresh.
I love the colors.
The design of it is
yeah, it's nice. Let me show you.
Cool.
Let me show you this part. It says Nickelodeon slime, and we're gonna turn it to the back. So that's what it looks like. Look how nice that is. Here's the side. And this is the first on Angel on the Go because I haven't seen anybody with these. Can we show the UPC? Also too, this is for ages, let me turn it back here. Ages 5+, and the max weight is 150 pounds. Here's the UPC. All right, so you guys can take a screenshot if you guys want. And we're gonna go ahead and scan it yet again. This is gonna be a first, only on Angel on the Go. You guys ready for the boom? You ready for the boom? You ready for the boom? Boom. $9.
Ain't beating that.
$9.99. Look at that.
Nickelodeon slime one.
Play Wheels licensed Nickelodeon kick scooter. I just put in the word Nickelodeon because it's not in there, but it's only $9. And we end up getting 3 total. And make sure you don't squeeze it any harder because the balls are going to come out.
I'm trying to put them back.
We could do that at home. Let's go find them some more clearance. All right. If you guys are looking for Frozen, I'm going to bring this over here. It's kind of loud. But these are the Frozen Elsa, the Snow Queen accessory set. Look how cute that is. It comes with jewelry. It comes with the shoes. Manny took off. There's a lot of clearance here, so he took off ahead of me. Let me show you the UPC. And again, this is for the Elsa shoes and jewelry. There's the UPC. And look at this, you guys. It's only $9.90. $9.90. All right, I just picked this up. So I just showed you the $9.90 shoes and jewelry. And look at this. This is the Anna doll. And she's really cute. It's like a Barbie doll, but the Frozen 2. And again, this is Anna. Sorry about the glare. Let me show you the back. So I guess you can get Anna. Here is Elsa. And then you can get Kristoff. Sorry, I don't know this movie. All right, there's the UPC. And look at this, you guys. It went from about $13 down to $4. So we're definitely grabbing these. Only $4. All right, you guys, we are getting so lucky today. All right, so I didn't know this was on sale too, but I just showed you this one for $4. And this one's for $4. So this is the, not Anna, sorry, Elsa. It's like the Barbie. There's the UPC. And the regular price is about $13 down to $4. So we're gonna grab these because you can't go wrong with Frozen dolls. Again, if you guys wanna start reselling, this is what you guys wanna start off with. Again, only on Angel on the Go. Make sure you guys subscribe so you guys don't miss any of these sales. All right, look at this, you guys. Only on Angel on the Go. This is the Rainbow High Chair. I have no clue. It says collect the rainbow. And again, this is called Rainbow High Chair. She has the little green outfit with the green hair. And I'm gonna turn it around. This is really nice. If you guys know what this is, comment below because I have no clue. And I am going to show you the price. Now let me show you the barcode first. UPC. There's the UPC. And look at this, you guys. She went from $22.88 down to $9. Matter of fact, can you do me a favor? Can you scan this to make sure this is $9?
Yes, I can.
Wait, what are you doing?
I'm just grabbing it.
For real?
This is a My Life, but it's as Hello Kitty.
Okay, hold on. Let's just do one thing at a time. We finding too much clearance. All right, so we're gonna scan this to make sure it's $9. It's at the bottom. Okay. So it is $9. So it went from almost $23 down to $9. So we're gonna have to scan this one. And what did you find?
Okay, I'm gonna pause listing. So this is the My Life. You know the My Life dolls, whatever
No.
it is. My Life.
Yeah, I guess.
So, but it's as Hello Kitty. So
Okay.
they did a combination of
Hello
Hello
Kitty.
Kitty and the thing. It's a
Uh-huh.
sleeping bag
Oh, that's cute.
for the dolls
Oh, it's a sleeping bag for the dolls. Okay,
Yeah.
so this is what. Oh, look, the doll has a little eye thing.
and slippers.
Oh, look at the slipper. So cute. All right, so we're gonna show you this one. Look at that. Is that $4?
$4.
Look at that, you guys. It's only $4. So if you guys had a My Life doll and you want the Hello Kitty sleeping bag to match with your doll, it's only $4. So we're gonna think about that, and we're gonna see what else we can find. All right, we found some more clearance, you guys. We have no clue, and we're not even gonna guess what this is. It says slide lit up. You guys can see the price, so that's what we were looking at. I think it's a, what is that, GIF?
Sure. So that's like,
Oh
Text.
my GIF?
you know, the text messages that are like move and stuff like that.
No, I'm old school. Sorry. Comment below if you guys know what this is. I'm just here to bring you guys the deals. I have no clue. But this thing right here, it says something, or each really moves. All right, you guys can see the price. It was about $4.88 down to $1. You can't go wrong with the dollar, whatever this is. That's what the side looks like. And I'm gonna show you the UPC. There you go. And again, it's only scanning up $1. And if you guys know what this is, you guys can get this too. This is it's a 3-pack, you guys. So it comes with a toilet. It looks like, I don't know what this stuff is. A donut? I don't know, some kind of cat. I'm gonna turn it to the back. That's what the back looks like. And let me show you the UPC. There's the UPC. And this one right here is only $2.50. So if you guys are interested, again, these are $1 and these are $2.50. And you guys can see my husband, he's down low. I mean, this is what we do. We scan all the way. Sometimes we even go under here. Oh, sorry, under here. But we scan up to the top 2. You guys don't want to miss anything. So we're going to go ahead and scan these items and see if we can find anything else for you guys.